Unidad Educativa Delfos welcome you all to this special play Charlie and the Chocolate Factory performed by our dear students from 6th grade.
Yes, our student will be performing an adapted version from the book Charlie and the Chocolate Factory by Roald Dahl, first published in 1964.
Wow, it was perhaps the most popular comic novel written for young people.
Yes, it was, and it tells the history of a boy who wins a golden ticket to the magical chocolate factory of
Okay,
Willy.
Mr. Caesar, let's stop talking and let our little actors and actresses to perform this magical story.
This is a story of an ordinary little boy named Charlie Brown. His family was a rich agriculture. In fact, they barely had enough to eat, but Charlie Pocket was the luckiest boy in the big world. He just didn't know it yet.
I saw Willy Wonka, the famous chocolate with my eyes. I used to work in.
You did.
I did.
I love grapes.
Willy Wonka began with a little candy store. It was the largest chocolate factory in history. Chocolate Marcus was jealous of Mr. Wonka, but one day they decided to steal his magic recipes. And for this reason, Mr. Wonka closed his chocolate factory forever.
But it didn't close forever. It's open right now.
The factory closed for a while, but one day people started seeing a small voice from the chimneys again. Grandpa Joe didn't let his go back. In fact, no one had seen a single person going into that factory or coming out of it anymore.
But then, who's running the machines?
Nobody knows, Charlie. It is a mystery.
Dear people of the world, I, Willy Wonka, have decided to invite 5 children in the factory this year. One of these children will receive a special prize better than anything you could ever imagine.
5 golden tickets have been hidden under the ordinary working paper of 5 ordinary Wonkas. These 5 candy bars may be anywhere, in any shop, in any street, in any town, in any country in the world.
I was thinking ranking chocolate example. Black white chocolate, coconut, and milk, and chocolate. So, I found a ticket. By each one.
The second ticket was found by Miss Bartlett.
These are my children. I am of Ghana. I am with Richard Press because I am a
Charlie
We don't share it.
Daddy, I won the golden ticket. Where's my golden ticket?
Here, you are my darling girl.
I won another pony.
Anything for you, my darling girl.
The 4th golden ticket has been found by a boy called my TV.
It was very easy. All I had to do was cut the system to the dead and deliver rows. I forgot to it. I only had to buy one candy bear and I didn't eat it. I had chocolate. Die.
There was only one ticket left, but impossible was about to happen.
Charlie, we are going to have more chance. The boy a candy bar.
Are you sure, Grandpa?
Of course, I should run to the store.
One Wonka candy bar, please. Okay, it's a golden ticket. You won the last golden ticket.
I give you $50 and a new bicycle. I give you $500 for the ticket. Take it home.
I found it, the last golden ticket. It's mine.
Greetings to you, the lucky finder of this golden ticket from Mr. Willy Wonka.
I'm dying to meet my guests for one whole day.
I, Willy Wonka, will show you everything there is to see.
And remember, one of you lucky 5 children will receive an extra prize beyond your wildest imagination.
Now, here are your instructions. On the 1st of February, you must come to the factory gate at 10 a.m. Until then, Willy Wonka.
Yippee! Please enter, dear visitors. Welcome to my chocolate factory. And who am I? Well,
The first room they visited was the chocolate mixing room, an important room. After all, it was a chocolate factory. The waterfall mixed the chocolate. No other factory in the world mixes its chocolate by waterfall.
Look, over there. What is it? It's a little person.
Who are they?
they're Oompa Loompas. They come from.
Look, I can touch the chocolate.
Hey, little boy. My chocolate shouldn't be touched by human hands.
I can swim. Save me. Help. Look, the Oompa Loompas.
I believe they're going to treat us to a new song. It's for a special occasion.
Let's
continue. All of you.
We're headed for a tunnel.
Oh yeah, full speed ahead.
Hey, Mr. Wonka, what is this? It's gum?
In fact, it was the most amazing gum in the whole universe because that gum was a full sugar cleaner.
It sounds like my kind of gum.
Don't eat it. It's not ready yet.
I'm the world champion on chewing gum. I'm not afraid of anything. It's amazing.
I'm just a little concerned about the.
What's happening to here? Willy Wonka, I told you, it's not ready.
Come on, let's go. There's far too much to see.
Squirrels!
Wonka's squirrels were specially trained to hit the nuts out of shells.
I
Used squirrels because they were very good at it. If they found a bad nut, they threw it away.
I want a squirrel. I bought at home is 1 pony and 2 dogs and 4 cats and 6 rabbits and 2 parakeets and 3 canaries and a green parrot and a turtle and a million hamsters. I want a squirrel. If you don't get me a squirrel, I will get one myself. I will have to.
What are they doing?
They're testing to see if she's a bad nut. Oh no, she's a bad nut after all. She's gone. We're all go ahead. We are late. Let's take the elevator.
I want to choose a room, the TV room.
They went to the television room to see his fantastic invention, television chocolate. One day it occurred to Wonka, why can't I sing a real bar of chocolate track the television?
It's impossible. You don't understand anything about science.
I will send a bar of chocolate from here to there by television. Here it comes.
What about people? Don't you realize what you've invented? It's a teleporter.
Hi, little boy.
He's going.
Let's go.
Mr. Wonka, Charlie's the only one left now.
You're the only one.
Yes.
What happened to the others? That means you won. Oh, congratulations. I'll give you my entire factory.
That's why you sent out the golden tickets.
Are you ready to move your house into the factory?
Of course.
Yippee!
In the end, Charlie Bucket won a chocolate factory, but Willy Wonka got something even better, a family. And one thing was absolutely certain, life had never been sweeter.
Now, we have the pleasure to present our actors and actresses.
Yes, we have a big round of applause for our artists.
We have Baby Little as narrator number 1.
Thank you. Thanks for
Renato Reyes and narrator number 2.
Thank you.
Rafaela Valero as narrator number 3.
Thank you.
Giordano Mantuano as Grandpa Joe.
Thank you.
Daniela Lopez as Grandma Georgina.
Thank you.
We have Jesus Falcones as Willy Wonka.
Thank you.
Ivan Sumadla as Augustus.
Thank you.
Camila Alvarez as Violet.
Thank you.
Maximiliano Vivaque as Daddy.
Thank you.
Natalia Garcia as Veruca.
Thank you.
Jeron Ortaiza as Mai.
Thank you.
And here we have Kiara Diaz,
King Estacio.
Elena Contreras,
Thank you.
Mayor Armas as
Thank
Lumta.
Thank you.
We have Paula as the shopkeeper.
Thank
And everyone else as a man.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much for being here with us and joining this beautiful and magical story, which is Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. We will see you next Monday with a new magical story. Very good job. I hope that you had enjoyed it a lot. Thank you very much and see you soon. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye. Bye. 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 Goodbye.
See you.
Bye. Bye. Goodbye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.